What happens to your body when you stop eating for 3 days, science explained. 72 hours without food. Your body undergoes the most dramatic metabolic transformation possible without dying. Ancient healing systems have used this for millennia, but modern science has finally revealed exactly what happens inside your cells during a 3-day fast. Welcome to Edge Genesis. What you're about to discover will change how you think about hunger, healing, and human biology forever. What is 72-hour fasting? A 72-hour fast means consuming only water, black coffee, or plain tea for 3 consecutive days. No calories, no artificial sweeteners, no supplements that break the fast. This isn't starvation. It's a controlled metabolic reset that triggers ancient survival mechanisms built into your DNA. Your body has sophisticated backup systems that activate when food becomes unavailable, and these systems can optimize health in ways that constant eating simply cannot achieve. Research from institutions like Johns Hopkins, USC, and the Salk Institute has revealed that 72 hours represents a metabolic tipping point where your body shifts from maintenance mode to deep cellular repair and regeneration. Hour 0 was at 12, the glycogen depletion phase. The moment you stop eating, your body begins burning through stored glucose in your liver and muscles, about 1,500 to 2,000 calories worth of glycogen. During the first 12 hours, your insulin levels drop dramatically. This is crucial because insulin is your body's storage hormone. When insulin falls, your body stops storing fat and starts accessing it for fuel. Your growth hormone levels begin rising, up to 300% according to research published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation. Growth hormone preserves muscle mass during fasting and accelerates fat burning. Blood glucose remains stable because your liver converts glycogen back to glucose through a process called glycogenolysis. You might feel normal hunger pangs, but these are largely psychological. Your body has plenty of stored energy to function. Hour 12-24, entering ketosis. Once glycogen stores are depleted, your liver begins producing ketone bodies through a process called ketogenesis. This is where the magic starts. Ketones are a superior fuel source for your brain, producing 25% more energy per molecule than glucose while generating fewer free radicals. Stanford research shows that ketones also trigger the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which promotes new neural connections. Your sympathetic nervous system activates, increasing norepinephrine by 400–500%. This keeps your metabolism elevated despite not eating, contradicting the myth that fasting slows metabolism in the short term. Autophagy begins accelerating. This is your cellular cleanup system where damaged proteins, organelles, and cellular debris get recycled. Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in 2016 for discovering this process that peaks during extended fasting. Hour 24-48, deep ketosis and cellular repair. By 24 hours, you're in robust ketosis with blood ketone levels reaching 1,3 millimole NOLL. Your brain is now running primarily on ketones, which many people report creates enhanced mental clarity and focus. Autophagy reaches maximum intensity. Research from MIT shows that 24 to 72-hour fasting can clear misfolded proteins associated with Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative diseases. Your white blood cell count begins dropping as your body recycles old, damaged immune cells. This might sound concerning, but it's actually beneficial. You're upgrading your immune system by getting rid of dysfunctional cells. Ghrelin, your hunger hormone, peaks around 24 hours, then begins declining. This is why many people report that hunger actually decreases as the fast continues. It's not willpower, it's biology. Growth hormone continues rising, reaching levels 1,000–2,000% above baseline by 48 hours. This preserves lean muscle mass while maximizing fat oxidation. Hour 48-72, stem cell regeneration. This is where 72-hour fasting becomes truly remarkable. Research led by Dr. Walter Longo at USC discovered that 72 hours of fasting triggers stem cell regeneration. Your body begins producing new immune cells to replace the old ones that were recycled. Hematopoietic stem cells in your bone marrow activate, creating fresh white blood cells with enhanced pathogen-fighting capability. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, increases by 200 to 400%, promoting neuroplasticity and potentially protecting against age-related cognitive decline. IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor, drops significantly, which may seem negative, but is actually protective. Lower IGF-1 is associated with increased lifespan and reduced cancer risk in multiple studies. Your gut gets a complete reset. The migrating motor complex, powerful contractions that clean your intestines, operates at maximum efficiency without food interfering. This can improve digestive health for weeks after breaking the fast. Metabolic benefits explained. The metabolic changes during 72-hour fasting are profound and measurable. Insulin sensitivity improves dramatically. Studies show 20–30% improvements in insulin sensitivity after just one 72-hour fast, potentially lasting weeks. Fat oxidation increases by 300–400%. Your body becomes exceptionally efficient at burning stored fat for fuel, creating a metabolic flexibility that persists even after resuming eating. Inflammatory markers like IL-6, TNF-alpha, and CRP decrease significantly. Chronic inflammation underlies most age-related diseases, so this reduction has far-reaching health implications. Cellular energy efficiency improves through mitochondrial biogenesis. Your cells literally grow new energy-producing organelles. Blood pressure often decreases due to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation in blood vessel walls. Important safety considerations. 72-hour fasting is not appropriate for everyone. Contraindications include diabetes requiring medication, eating disorders, pregnancy or breastfeeding, being underweight or having certain medical conditions. Common side effects include temporary fatigue, mild headaches, dizziness, and irritability, usually resolving by day 2 as ketosis stabilizes. Electrolyte balance is crucial. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium can become depleted. Many practitioners supplement with sea salt and electrolyte solutions. Breaking the fast properly is essential. Start with easily digestible foods like bone broth, then gradually reintroduce regular meals over 24–48 hours to avoid digestive distress. The research verdict. Multiple clinical trials demonstrate 72-hour fasting's benefits. A 2019 study in Cell Metabolism showed improved biomarkers of aging and disease risk after regular 72-hour fasts. Research published in Nature found that fasting cycles can enhance chemotherapy effectiveness while protecting healthy cells. Studies in both humans and animals consistently show improved cognitive function, enhanced immune system regeneration, and increased stress resistance. The key insight: 72 hours appears to be the minimum duration needed to trigger significant stem cell regeneration and immune system renewal, benefits that shorter fasts don't provide. 72-hour fasting represents one of the most powerful biological reset mechanisms available to humans. The science shows clear benefits for metabolic health, cellular repair, and longevity. However, this is an advanced practice requiring proper preparation, medical clearance for some individuals, and careful implementation. If you found this scientific breakdown valuable, subscribe to Edge Genesis for more evidence-based longevity and performance content. Comment below. Have you tried extended fasting? What was your experience? Remember, the goal isn't just to live longer, but to optimize the biology you have right now. Until next time, stay optimized.